Hello and welcome. My name is Amuli and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Java JDK, Java SE 17, most latest release of Java 17. That is going to be 17.0.12 on Windows operating system. So to download, you simply visit this link. I will share this link in the description. You can just click this link or copy paste in your preferred web browser. Once you got here, you simply scroll down to the most latest release. You got all the releases of 17 and we will start downloading the most latest release, which is 17.0.12, which is here, right here. Now scroll down and it says there are two downloads of Windows operating system. One is basically, this is compressed one, which is portable one. One is .exe package, one is MSI package. I'll go with the MSI package. So just click on this, let the download begin, and here is the download. So to save time, I already have downloaded it. Just click on this once it is downloaded and say next. This is where the Java JDK 17 is going to be installed under program file Java JDK 17. Next, and this shouldn't take long time. Say yes on the user account control and copying new files. You see here. There are another way to install Java, that is basically installing with Winget. So Java is already installed. Let me quickly launch the command prompt. It says Java is installed. So go ahead and check Java version, which is JRE. Java C, which is compiler. This is also 17.0.12. Java shell. This is also 17.0.12. So if you want to install Java with command prompt, you can use Winget get search JDK, and this shouldn't take long time to search all the JDK packages and list them on your command prompt. This is what we have here. The most simplest one is the Java from Oracle. So this is how you can install using the ID. So you will say winget install oracle.jdk.17. This is all case sensitive, so you'll have to go as it is. That is how you can install Java JDK. Successfully installed. 17.0.12, which is most latest release of this LTD long-term support package. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.